Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here. It's actually pretty like the last week of October. No, of January. And I'm about to do my Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's go through this Boxycharm. Let's see what we get. So I don't know why they sent me this in this big old box or whatever. So I did open it, but I haven't gone through the products yet. So let's go for the products together. Yeah, I opened it because I was like, why is it so big? Because this is the base box, but I guess they run out of small boxes. So this is. It says Ipsy Boxycharm January, a clean slate. So, and then we're gonna jump right into it with our first product. It's from Aloe Wellness System, and it is the Enzyme Facial Cleanser. Pineapple enzymes, aloe, and avocado oil. So yeah. It said the pineapple enzyme naturally exfoliates skin for smoother looking texture, and avocado oil signal the moisture and prevent post cleanse tightness. So I don't know what just happened. That was wild, but yes. So this is the aloe, or this is the cleanser from aloe. Let's jump into our other product. It's from M.A.C Skin, and it's a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. It says it is a lightweight hyaluronic acid serum delivering long-lasting hydration and plumping for all skin types. Free powerhouse actives instantly increase moisture while helping to soothe and soften the skin. Skin appears hydrated, calm, and dewy. So I definitely will try this. Let us jump into our other product. It's from Dominic Cosmetics, and it is the Brow Blowout Shaping Gel. I don't really do anything to my brow because I have my brow ombre, so yeah. On our fourth product, this is from Pear Nova. It's a bronzing stick, and it is, yep, we'll test it out today. And last but not least, we have these blushes from Lithe Cosmetic. I actually like these. I've gotten another pack in my previous Boxycharm, and they were good. So I'm happy to test these out. So it is a bronzer brush and a tapered powder brush. So they look like so. So this is the bronzer brush, and then this is the tapered brush. We will definitely use this. So there is zero palette, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and make it do what it do, right? So I'm gonna use this palette from Play the Makeup by Yolondo. It is the Beaker Bronze palette, and we're just gonna do a look. This is a T12 from Makeup Shack. Let's go into this shit. Oh no, good. What are we doing? We do not do no. Yeah, I don't know. That was like, girl. Then just stop this nicely. And you can use any brush for that, guys. Like I'm using a 420 from Beauty Makeup by Yolondo, but this is like literally you can do it with anything. You don't need anything, like you can use any brush. Okay, now we can go into this. I don't know what. Let's go into this shade and then let's see what happens. And just keep tapping like, oh. Making sure there's no harsh lines. And this is a what? This is from Kara Beauty and it is K17. I think I'm gonna just go into this. I'm not gonna do too much, like. A little bit too. I'm gonna go back into this one and just making sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. And for my contour, I'm gonna use, no, actually, no, because I do have this from my Boxycharm. So we're gonna use that today. It's Pear Nova bronzer and contour stick. So the shade is tan, like so. So I like the applicator, and this was for my Boxycharm, so I like that about it. And it's nice and creamy. Now let's see how it blends. Blending nicely. Like, look at this. Like I literally just passed this on there twice and it's blended. Okay, so let's go try this powder brush. I'm very specific with my powder brush because I'm like, some powder brushes, like, you know, they don't let the stuff set properly. So I'm using my MicroSmooth powder from Sephora. And we're just gonna go around and just tap everywhere. Okay, so this is good. I like how this is putting the powder. This is also the tapered powder brush that I got in my Boxycharm. And I have this. This is a bronzing brush, a bronzer brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use my matte skin from M.A.C. My bronzer in shade Rich Golden. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the products that I got in my Boxycharm this month. This is the month of January. So I got the brush set, which I love, because again, this is not the first time I'm getting that brushes from that company, and the ones I got before was really good. So yeah, so this is $32 for 2 brushes, so $16 a brush. Not cheap, but not crazy. I bought brush for like more than $100. So, okay, and then the bronzer was $28. I also really like the bronzer. It will definitely be in my rotation. I will be using it again. I like it. It's, as I was saying, so for the bronzer, again, it was $28. I will definitely use it again. I think it was a really good bronzer, and it was from Pear Nova. This is actually my first product from this company, but I will definitely be using it again because I think it was a good product. And that was $28. Our next product is, it was the hyaluronic acid. I did not use this because, you know, I think skincare also takes like a little bit of time to like use it progressively for you to be able to know like, hey, is this a good product or not? So, but that was $175. And let's jump into there was a cleanser from Aloe, and then that was $32. I also did not use that. And last but not least, it was the gel brow definer or whatever that is. I also did not use that because my brows are ombre and I don't really need that. So, and that was $18. My total for my box this month was $285. I think I paid like $34.99 plus tax, so it's like $37 and change, so $38. And I got $275 or $285 worth of product. I didn't really have, like, I only had the brow gel and the bronzing stick as like makeup products. Everything else was skincare, but it's fine, you know, that happens sometimes. So yeah, so that's it guys for this January base box Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.